I wanna speak English, but I cannot. Why? Because I have no experience. See, my friends, I know how to ride a bicycle, but can I ride on the road? No. Because I have never experienced like how to ride a bicycle on the road, on a busy road. I get scared. Whenever I think like I will go somewhere by riding a bicycle, so I get scared. Why? Because I have no experience. Actually, I know how to ride a bicycle. I have no problem, I have no issue. I can ride in a very good way, but only in the solitary place where there is less crowd. In a crowded place, I cannot. I'm not able to ride. Same happens with English language. My dear friends, I know very well that you may be speaking very good English whenever you are alone. But friends, when it's come to speaking publicly, you might be feeling a little bit of fear. And why it happens? Do you know the reason? It is because you have lack of practice. You have never experienced. You have only gained theoretical knowledge, like you have translated so many sentences, but you have never utilized those translations in your practical. So what thing you need to do, my dear friends? You have to, the sentence which you have translated in your schooling days, in your college days, you have to utilize those sentences in your practical life. And only then you can become a master of this language. So in today's video, definitely I will share with you very basic tips. How can you be the master of this language? How can you start speaking in this language? If you are absolute beginner, it does not matter. Friends, my name is Anu Mathur and I welcome you to my channel, Anushree English Channel. I hope you are doing great and you are learning this language in a very great way, in a very profound way. So friends, let's know what are those basic steps with the help of which we can start our English learning journey. Friends, it's very simple. It's very simple. Like if you want to start your English learning journey, so first thing you need to have with yourself curiosity. Curiosity matters a lot. Curiosity matters a lot. If you are eager, if you are keen, desirous, ambitious to learn a thing, definitely you can learn. Why? Because you are curious. You are ambitious. And the ambition which you keep with yourself in starting, in the beginning, you have to continue till the end. You have to never get demotivated. How much obstacles appears in your way, you have to never get demotivated. You have to just continue your journey, and within couple of days you will see good result. So friends, you know what first thing you have to do? Like conversation. I know that you have a huge knowledge regarding grammar, but you have never practiced it in your practical life. So you have to practice it, and practice matters a lot. You know very well that practice makes a man perfect. Okay? And by doing regular practice, you will gain experience. And my dear friends, experience actually gives you confidence. And you will increase the level of your confidence by your regular practice. So you have to do practice. As much as practice you can do. You have to do practice, my dear friends. You have to do practice. So keep doing practice to achieve your goal. Friends, whenever you go outside, like in the morning, when we generally go for a morning walk, so generally you may be meeting so many people there. So just increase your courage. Have a courage to talk to others. Okay? And start with basic conversation like, how are you? How are you doing today? How was your day yesterday? Okay? How is the weather? So you can arise so many questions, my dear friends, and you can start a conversation with others. And definitely, my dear friends, initially you will like hesitate while talking. You will like feel nervousness in talking. But my dear friends, just trust me what I'm telling you. With the passage of time, you will see a great change in yourself. You will see you are increasing the level of your confidence. only by doing regular practice. So you have to practice regularly, my dear friends, if you really want to speak this language, just like your regional language, your native language. And anyone who speaks this language, my dear friends, I guarantee you that they may have done practice a lot. Friends, what I said you have to follow. In two ways you can do your conversation practice. Like whenever you are at your home, so you just start talking with your family members. Whether they are understanding or not, you keep on speaking in English. Why? Because you are doing your speaking practice. And in order to achieve your goal, you have to practice. If they are not understanding, if they are not getting your point, so convert your sentences into Hindi or the language which you speak at your home. But first of all, try your best to speak only in English, and that would be a good exercise, my dear friends. And within couple of days, I'm telling you once again, within couple of days, you will see mind-blowing result. Because I have experienced this thing. And the second thing, my dear friends, second thing you can do, like storytelling session. In my previous video, I have talked about this storytelling session, and once again I'm telling you, like storytelling session really impacts a lot. Okay, if you are doing your storytelling session, so definitely you will see result. How you have to do? Just what you did yesterday, you have to create a story and you have to narrate your story with others. Okay, you have to speak your story with yourself. Because you will practice of your vocal cord, and you have to practice a lot. The more you practice, the better you become. And friends, आप जब तक आपको रिजल्ट ना मिले, आप इससे ऐसा ना बोले कि आई एम लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज. एक मैंने सुना है कि मेहनत इतनी खामोशी से करो, मेहनत इतनी खामोशी से करो कि सफलता शोर मचा दे. तो यू हैव टू डू योर regular practice. Okay, speaking practice you have to do. And friends, you know very well that speaking practice really matters a lot. It does not matter like how much time you are devoted to reading, listening, writing. If you are devoting even a single minute towards speaking practice, so you are going to get no result. So speaking practice you have to done anyhow, you have to done your speaking practice. Okay, my dear friends, so that's all I just wanted to tell you in my today's video. Like if you really want to speak this language, so you have to do it, practice a lot, because experience matters a lot, my dear friends. Experience matters a lot. If you have experience, so definitely you can achieve anything, and experience actually gives you confidence, my dear friends. And friends, one more thing I would add here, like consistency. You have to be very consistent. Okay, you have to be very consistent, honest towards yourself, and just be dedicated and devoted towards this language. Like if you have started your learning journey, so definitely you will learn. Always keep motivating yourself, like I can, I will. Don't get demotivated you anytime. Always just keep motivating yourself, like I can, I will. I am the best, I'm awesome, I'm great, and I can win, and I am the winner. So that's all what I wanted to say in today's video, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and if you liked my speech, friends, so definitely give me a like. Bye bye.